Okay, get this. Imagine building a fully functional app, one that's ready for thousands of users, and you do it with just a single paragraph of text. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, guess what? It's happening right now. Today, we're going to dive into how AI is making this an actual reality.
Come on, I know you do. We've all had that light bulb moment, that brilliant idea for an app. Something that could solve a huge problem or maybe just be a ton of fun. It's that flash of inspiration that gets your mind racing.
And then, bam, reality check. You start thinking about hiring developers, the insane cost, the months or even years of coding, and you need this whole set of technical skills you just don't have. Suddenly, that brilliant idea feels, well, completely out of reach.
But what if that barrier, that huge wall of time, money, and technical know-how just disappeared? What if you could finally bring that idea to life, like right now?
This is where things get really, really exciting. We're talking about a revolutionary new tool called Tyl.dev, and it is completely rewriting the rules for how apps get made.
So what exactly is this thing? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like having a master developer in a box. You describe your app idea to it in plain English, and it just builds it for you. Not a design, not a mockup, but a working multi-screen application. And here's the part that is truly mind-blowing. This isn't just for building little prototypes. The platform is designed from the ground up to create apps that are strong enough to be launched publicly and handle real users. That's what production level means. It's ready for the real world. So how does this magic actually happen? You'd think a tool this powerful would be super complicated, but the process is almost unbelievably simple. It's literally 3 steps. You start by taking your idea and just writing it all out. Be as detailed as you can. You can even use something like ChatGPT to help you flesh it out. Then, you just copy that text, paste it into the tool, and click generate. That's it. Seriously. In just a few moments, the AI processes your entire description, building out every single screen your app needs. And here's the best part. If you want to change something, like add a button or a new feature, you don't write code. You just write another instruction.
But is this just a fun experiment, or is it something you can use for serious projects? Let's take a look at the features that make this a seriously powerful platform for real creators.
And that really is the core question, isn't it? What exactly takes this from being a neat AI trick to a legitimate game changer for app development? Well, the answer is in its professional-grade features. The answer is all about things that are absolutely essential for any real business. You can build in monetization with in-app purchases. You can create complex multi-screen user journeys, not just simple one-page tools. And maybe most importantly, the final product is built to be ready to launch and scalable, meaning it can grow with your user base without breaking. So let's be crystal clear about this, because it's the most important point. We're talking about a tool that builds an actual, functional mobile app. It's not creating a picture or a static design of what your app could look like. It's the real thing. And this brings us to the most empowering part of this whole story. You see, this isn't just a new tool. It represents a fundamental shift in who gets to be a creator. The future of app development is becoming accessible to absolutely everyone. I mean, this is a massive leap. We're going from a process that was slow, crazy expensive, and required a whole team of specialists to one that's driven purely by the power of a well-written idea. This isn't just about saving time. It's about changing who can build, period. When the effort drops this dramatically, you don't need a huge round of funding just to build a prototype. The power shifts from those with capital to those with ideas. This is the democratization of technology happening right in front of our eyes. So this leaves us with just one last question, and it's for you. With all these barriers just wiped away, what's that crazy, amazing app idea you've been sitting on? Because now, there's absolutely nothing stopping you from building it.